Maybe it's that surprise farmer's market find, a basket overflowing with plump heirloom tomatoes and sunshine-ripened peaches. Or perhaps you stumbled upon a hidden gem of a record store, and that limited edition vinyl is practically calling your name. Whatever it is, plastic's not an option, and you need cold, hard cash. This is where the Venmo card can be a lifesaver. But if you're new to the Venmo card world, a question might be nagging at you: how much cash can I actually pull out with this thing? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Venmo card ATM withdrawals and get you prepped for your next cash-fueled adventure. First things first, the Venmo card itself isn't a magic money machine. It doesn't have its own separate stash of cash. Instead, it works by accessing the funds that are already in your Venmo account. So, the amount you can withdraw depends on how much money you have chilling in your Venmo balance. Here's where things get interesting. Venmo slaps a daily withdrawal limit on ATM transactions. That limit sits pretty at $1,000 USD. Not bad, right? That should cover most unexpected cash needs. But wait, there's more. Cue the dramatic music. Venmo isn't the only one with its hand out. Depending on where you get your cash, you might encounter some additional fees. Here's the breakdown. MoneyPass ATMs, these are your Venmo-approved ATM buddies. Using a MoneyPass ATM to withdraw your hard-earned cash won't result in any additional fees from Venmo's side. High fives all around. Non-MoneyPass ATMs, if that friendly MoneyPass ATM isn't around, brace yourself for a $2.50 fee from Venmo for using a different ATM. On top of that, the ATM itself might tack on its own fees. So, it's always a good idea to check the ATM screen before you finalize your withdrawal to avoid any unwelcome surprises. Over-the-counter withdrawals, need cash from a bank teller instead of an ATM? Venmo charges a flat $3 fee for this service. Again, the bank itself might have additional fees, so be sure to ask before you proceed. Alright, so now you know the limits and potential fees. Here are some quick tips to maximize your Venmo card ATM experience. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need a decent amount of cash, try to transfer funds to your Venmo balance beforehand to avoid bumping into the daily limit. Download the Venmo app. The Venmo app has a handy ATM locator that can help you find nearby MoneyPass ATMs. No more wandering around aimlessly searching for your fee-free ATM bestie. Consider alternatives. If you know you'll be needing a lot of cash regularly, a traditional debit card linked to your bank account might be a better option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.